Mastering English phrases, drum into one's head. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, drum into one's head. This expression is a colorful part of the English language, rich in meaning and history. Understanding it will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English cultural nuances. Let's explore this phrase together and make your learning experience unforgettable. The phrase, drum into one's head, is used to describe the process of teaching someone something through constant repetition. It implies that the information is being taught so frequently and emphatically that it is as if the knowledge is being pounded or beaten into the person's mind, much like the persistent beating of a drum. This method is often associated with memorization and the insistence on remembering something important. Understanding the origin of drum into one's head helps to appreciate its meaning fully. While the exact origins of this phrase are a bit murky, it's believed to be related to the way drums were used in historical contexts. Drums have been used as a means of communication, signaling, and even in warfare to maintain marching rhythms. The repetitive and unavoidable nature of drumming parallels the repetitive teaching method the phrase suggests, emphasizing the relentless, inescapable nature of the learning process being described. To use drum into one's head correctly, it's important to frame it in contexts that involve learning, teaching, or memorization. Here are some examples. My teacher had to drum the rules of grammar into our heads before we finally understood them. I've been trying to drum these mathematical formulas into my head all night for the test tomorrow. Growing up, my parents drummed the importance of honesty and integrity into my head. These sentences illustrate how the phrase can be used to convey the effort put into teaching or learning something thoroughly and persistently. It's crucial to know when it's appropriate to use drum into one's head. This phrase is perfect for informal settings or when describing intensive study or teaching methods. However, it may not be suitable for very formal or professional contexts due to its metaphorical nature and the slight implication of force or tedium in learning. Use it when describing intense study sessions, reflecting on strict or repetitive teaching methods, discussing the deep implantation of moral values or principles. Avoid it in formal academic writing, professional settings where a more straightforward description of learning or teaching is preferable. I hope this video has drummed the meaning and usage of drum into one's head into your memory. Understanding phrases like this is key to mastering the English language, not just in terms of vocabulary but also in grasping the cultural and historical nuances that enrich communication. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, and remember, repetition is the key to memorization.